To succeed in business today, you need to be flexible and have good planning and organizational skills. Many people start a business thinking that they'll turn on their computers or open their doors and start making money, only to find that making money in a business is much more difficult than they thought. You can avoid this in your business ventures by taking your time and planning out all the necessary steps you need to achieve success. Whatever type of business you want to start, using the following 9 tips can help you be successful in your venture. To achieve business success, you need to be organized. It will help you complete tasks and stay on top of things to be done. A good way to be organized is to create a to-do list each day. As you complete each item, check it off your list. This will ensure that you're not forgetting anything and completing all the tasks that are essential to the survival of your business. Many software-as-a-service tools exist to increase organization. Tools like Slack, Asana, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and other newer additions. That being said, a simple Excel spreadsheet will meet many of a business's organization requirements. All successful businesses keep detailed records. By doing so, you'll know where the business stands financially and what potential challenges you could be facing. Just knowing this gives you time to create strategies to overcome those challenges. Most businesses are choosing to keep 2 sets of records, one physical and one in the cloud. By having records that are constantly uploaded and backed up, a business no longer has to worry about losing its data. The physical record exists as a backup, but more often than not, it is used to ensure that the other information is correct. Competition breeds the best results. To be successful, you can't be afraid to study and learn from your competitors. After all, they may be doing something right that you can implement in your business to make more money. How you analyze competition will vary between sectors. If you're a restaurant owner, you may simply be able to dine at your competition's restaurants, ask other customers what they think, and gain information that way. However, you could be a company with much more limited access to your competitors, such as a chemical company. In that case, you would work with a business professional and accountant to go over not just what the business presents to the world, but any financial information you may be able to get on the company as well. The key to being successful is taking calculated risks to help your business grow. A good question to ask is, what's the downside? If you can answer this question, then you know what the worst-case scenario is. This knowledge will allow you to take the kinds of calculated risks that can generate tremendous rewards. Understanding risks and rewards include being smart about the timing of starting your business. For example, did the severe economic dislocation of 2020 provide you with an opportunity, like manufacturing and selling face masks, or an impediment, like opening a new restaurant during a time of social distancing and limited seating allowed? Hit the thumbs up would help a lot now, wouldn't it? Thank you so much for continuing to watch this far. Now let's continue. Always be looking for ways to improve your business and make it stand out from the competition. Recognize that you don't know everything and be open to new ideas and different approaches to your business. There are many outlets that may lead to additional revenues. Take Amazon for example. The company started out as a bookseller and grew into an e-commerce giant. Not a lot of people expected that one of the major ways that Amazon makes its money is through its web services division. The division did so well that when Jeff Bezos stepped down as CEO, the head of Amazon Web Services was named the new CEO. The old saying Rome wasn't built in a day applies here. Just because you open a business doesn't mean you're going to immediately start making money. It takes time to let people know who you are, so stay focused on achieving your short-term goals. Many small business owners don't even see a profit for a few years while they use their revenues to recoup investment costs. This is called being in the red. When you are profitable and make more than you need to spend to cover debts and payroll, this is called being in the black. That being said, if the business is not turning a profit after a substantial period of time, it's worth looking into if there are issues with the product or service if the market still exists, and other possible issues that might slow or halt a business's growth. The lead up to starting a business is hard work, but after you open your doors, your work has just begun. In many cases, you have to put in more time than you would if you were working for someone else, which may mean spending less time with family and friends to be successful. The adage that there are no weekends and no vacations for business owners might ring true for those who are committed to making their business work. There is nothing wrong with full-time employment, and some business owners underestimate the true cost of the sacrifices that are required to start and maintain a profitable business. There are many successful businesses that forget that providing great customer service is important. If you provide better service for your customers, they'll be more inclined to come to you the next time they need something instead of going to your competition. In today's hyper-competitive business environment, often the differentiating factor being successful and unsuccessful businesses is the level of service that the business provides. This is where the saying undersell and overdeliver comes in use, and savvy business owners would be wise to follow it. Consistency is a key component to making money in business. You have to keep doing what is necessary to be successful day in and day out. This will create long-term positive habits that will help you make money in the long run. For you who made it this far, I have a bonus to give you. I'm leaving free training with Matt Parr on how to make money on YouTube. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner, digital influencer, or don't even want to show your face, this training is for you. Building a solid business is something that doesn't happen overnight, but with the right strategy, you can consolidate a stable and profitable business, and YouTube is one of the best ways to get started. So, click on the link below in the description of this video or in the pinned comment to participate. This is my way of thanking you for watching this video so far. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, it helps a lot in channel engagement and knowing that I'm making good content for you. If you are new, welcome, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell. I post new videos every week, and this channel is just starting, so it would be great to have you as my subscriber because it is you who makes this channel grow and reaching more people, can be sure of that. So, thank you very much for being here. That's all for today, see you soon.